Think of information technology, IT, as a cutting-edge smartphone. It's equipped with the latest technologies, is always on the move, is consistently connected to the internet, and is frequently patched with the most recent security updates. This smartphone mirrors the capabilities of your enterprise architecture, the ability to process massive data securely and quickly communicate and adapt to changes in real time. It's like your corporate headquarters, where strategic decisions are made by leveraging data to predict market trends and inform business decisions. In contrast, operational technology, OT, is like a reliable VGA cable. Imagine this as the machinery in your manufacturing facility, designed to carry out specific tasks in the physical world, making, assembling, handling, and measuring things. It's the workhorse of the manufacturing industry, having been around for a long time and performing its job consistently, day after day. The challenge is to connect this VGA cable, your manufacturing operations, and the smartphone, your enterprise architecture. You can't just insert a VGA cable into a phone. They don't fit. It's like trying to discuss the nuances of social media strategy with a blacksmith from the 1800s. Both have their expertise, but live in very different worlds. The way forward. The crux of the IT-OT convergence issue is not to force a square peg into a round hole. It isn't about adapting the old to fit the new. It's about creating a new, shared environment with a new language. On this transformative bridge, the physical and digital worlds can engage in meaningful, efficient, and seamless dialogue with no loss of quality and no translation confusion. And this is where ProjectBinder comes into play. We have broad experience bridging the gap between OT and IT to help you achieve an efficient, fully connected enterprise.